Being accountable means accepting personal responsibility. Not just accountability, but personal accountability. Many of us are quick to blame someone else without acknowledging our role in a particular situation or problem. It is never enough to think that something should be done. Instead, you need to ask yourself, what can I do personally to improve the situation or resolve the problem? Sharing a meme on Facebook is nice and even fun, but it's not the same of being personally accountable. Think about the impact you can have on someone else. Something as simple as picking up a piece of trash or using your own bags when grocery shopping shows that you are part of the solution. It does not have to be a big or dramatic to be impactful. Unfortunately, in corporations and other organizations, this kind of personal responsibility is often lacking. You have seen it. It is not my job mindset. Here is a story that is simple, almost silly simple, but it underscores what I'm trying to get across. When touring a plant, I saw a burned out light bulb and mentioned it to the plant manager standing next to me. I thought it was interesting that I noticed the light bulb, but he did not. He mentioned it to the maintenance crew who let the bulb remain burned out for an entire month. And you know what their reason was? They only changed light bulbs once a month. Heck, I could have replaced it. It would have been taken just a few minutes. In the big scheme of things, does it really matter that a light bulb was burned out for a month? Of course not. But it is indicative of systematic issues. Obviously, at this organization, there is a lack of accountability. When is the last time you were personally accountable?